How to enable text cursor indicator on Windows 10. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable text cursor indicator on Windows 10. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, simply go to the bottom of the screen and there you simply have to click on the Windows search bar and there you simply have to type in settings and click on it to open the settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, then you simply have to look at the left hand side and there you simply have to click on the accessibility option. And now here inside the accessibility, you simply have to scroll down and there you simply have to click on the text cursor. And now here in this section, you can simply find the option labeled as text cursor indicator. So here you simply have to toggle on this option. And that's it. That's how you can enable text cursor indicator on Windows 11 or Windows 10. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.